Today, we're making a delicious pumpkin bread using a bread machine perfect for autumn. Here's how you can bake it easily without any fuss. We'll be using 1/2 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 2 cups and 1/3 cup of bread flour, 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree, and 2 tablespoons of softened, unsalted butter. Let's add the ingredients into the bread pan. First, pour in the milk. Then add the egg, sugar, salt, bread flour, yeast, and pumpkin puree. You can add the butter now and start to make the bread. But I'm going to knead the bread first for 10 minutes before I add the butter. Now, select the dough cycle to mix and knead the dough for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes are up, press stop and add in the softened butter. After that, select the cycle to start the machine. You can either choose basic or sweet. I'll choose sweet cycle with a light crust and a loaf size of 2 pounds. Now, just let the bread machine do its thing. The total time for my machine is about 2 hours and 55 minutes. Once the bread is done, carefully take the bread pan out using oven mitts. Shake the loaf out of the bread pan and place it on a wire rack. Let the pumpkin bread cool for 15 to 20 minutes before slicing. And there you have it, a perfect loaf of pumpkin bread baked right in your bread machine. Enjoy the soft, flavorful goodness. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy baking ideas. Happy baking!